Let's get to designing. HydroMan offers several functions to make manifold design quick and easy. Let's explore some key features to help you get started. You can resize the manifold in the X, Y, or Z direction. In the 2D view, right-click on the manifold and hover over Dimensions. This opens the Dimensions box, where you can change all dimensions. There are also Change at X, Y, or Z options, based on where you clicked. Selecting one of these options will adjust the size at the cursor position. For quick 1 mm changes, simply press Ctrl and use the arrow keys to set new dimensions. To move a hole, select it and press space to lock it to your cursor. While moving, press space to rotate it 90 degrees. When you're happy with the placement, left-click to lock it in place. To change absolute coordinates, select the hole and press Shift and Enter. HydroMan also offers an option to move the hole orthogonally. You can find this option at the bottom of your screen and toggle it on and off. Align coordinates by selecting at least 2 holes and pressing the letter N. If the holes are on adjacent faces, they will align in the common direction. If they are on opposite faces, they will align in both directions. If they're on the same face, you'll specify the offset. Alternatively, you can use the X, Y, or Z buttons to align in a single direction. Remember, the first hole selected is the reference point for alignment. To connect holes, select at least 2. You can use 3 main keys. C changes the depth of both holes to connect them fully. T trims or extends the depth toward the first hole without moving it. M aligns and automatically connects using either C or T. If not possible to connect with straight holes, HydroMan suggests to use an angled hole. To connect a hole to a cartridge port at the right diameter, click inside the port, select the hole, and press Shift and M. The hole will automatically move and connect. To modify hole depth, select a step in the hole and right-click. Choose the Modify Depth option or use the keyboard shortcut D. In a cross-section view, you can change the depth using the arrow keys. To create a hole through the block, select the hole and press Ctrl and T. Positioning hole texts is simple. Select a hole with text and press H to lock it to your cursor. Press space to rotate it 90 degrees. Adjust the text of one hole to your preferred spot and lock it in place by left-clicking. Once positioned, select the hole again. Then choose Others and press Q to align their text positions. This creates a cohesive and logical design. HydroMan simplifies your design process. Just click and connect to create your manifold. Defining group colors in HydroSim is crucial, as it allows for easy connections in HydroMan.